Hi everybody, Lee the Spray here. So we've been showing you this green with the blue sparkle on there with a little holographic as well. Very pretty colour, shell colour. So that's slightly more green than what you can see. It looks very blue to you. Whereas in real life, in the flesh, it's got a greeny blue tint to it, like the old Premier Ajax type colour. Okay, so now you can hopefully see, as I do that, there is quite a depth there of the lacquer. So we've buried the lacquer in nicely, look. And now what will happen, because if you notice, it's got like a slight orange peel look to it down the light. So what will now happen is I'll leave this over the weekend, and then we shall cut this off by flattening it. And then when I flatten it, I take it back in grit and polish, and away to go. So I shall show you. Keep watching our short videos and take care. Have a good weekend.